here. Hey guys, it's Noah Deluxe here. Hey guys, it's Noah Deluxe here. Right now it's late. Right now, my cat's literally scared from. Go Petey, no. And that's my dog. My cat's literally scared of himself in the mirror. Look at you can tell by his tail. He's not really puffed up like this. Yeah, my cat right now is scared. Oh yeah, I got a new bed. It's ginormous. This is not really how big it is in real life. I mean, in the video. But it is ginormous. I don't really have much room. My mom just bought me like some random stuff for it, and some pillows and stuff. And I'm literally right now, this is literally like my big bed. But yeah, anyway, get back to my cat. He's still scared. He's still scared by the mirror. All right. This is Noah Deluxe. If you want to play with me, come check out my Xbox account, Noah Deluxe. That's the name. And see you later. Noah Deluxe is out.